Hello everybody, it's Adrian from askhowtube. Same car, on Mercedes C200 Sport Coupe. I am going to show you how you change the air filter and where is located air filter and cabin filter. Cabin filter I already changed it, but I'll show you because it's very easy. I'll show you where it is. So let me start with the cabin filter because it's very easy. It's here. So I have just 3 clips. Cabin filter. Very easy. When you put it back, make sure this two goes like this inside. So yeah, also battery is located under the cabin filter. So let's put it back. Okay, now air filter is here. Make sure you put it here first, and here it's got something which is going in a special place there. Once you open it, you'll see it. Alright guys, so job done. Thanks for watching.